Welcome to the Daily. My name's Jessica Rami. I'm a market strategist with Moomoo. Well, traders are in a classic risk-off mode after Iran fired about 200 ballistic missiles at Israel, and this has spurred up war tension concerns. So the market's fear gauge, tracked by the VIX, spiked to a 3-week high. Gold marched up and oil surged 5%, while the US dollar hit a weekly high. So naturally, tech stocks took a hit. The Nasdaq's 100 fell 1.4%. The S&P 500 followed lower, but we did see investors heavily buying into oil stocks as well as war beneficiaries like stocks like Lockheed Martin. That's the US's largest defense contractor. But what's really interesting is that some investors looked through the geopolitical tension, perhaps as noise, and they continue to buy into stocks that'll probably benefit from China's stimulus. So we saw buying push up PDD shares, known as Pinot Duo. Their stock hit a new 7-week high. There's always a bull market somewhere, right? So what's ahead and what do you need to consider today? Well, October, caution is key. Carry trade concerns are starting to creep up again, and this could probably pressure US and Aussie tech stocks, with stocks, particularly semiconductors like ARM and NVIDIA, already facing pressure. Also consider US earnings season kicks off. The market is looking for 15% earnings growth from the broad S&P 500, while overall there are concerns starting to creep through. We saw Nike overnight delivering disappointing earnings results, so perhaps it's setting a bad tone for markets. However, geopolitical tension could rumble on for some time, and investors need to take heed of this and consider watching stocks and ETFs that can benefit, such as the iShares Aerospace and Defence ETF, ITA, that hit a new high overnight. It's already up 20% this year. Lockheed Martin shares are also on a tear. They're up 34% this year. That's a stock to watch. Of course, Lockheed Martin supplies US and Australian aerospace and military equipment, and they've been supplying fighter jets for some time now, but they're also quite big in AI and cybersecurity for the defence sector in Australia and the US.